So how do you create a course that isn't just theory-based, but actually has action-based results? Today we're talking about how to build that action-based online course. We're gonna go through 4 things you need to do to make sure that happens.
So we are e-learning partners and we have a free masterclass for you because we want to make sure that you have guaranteed results if you're developing an e-learning program or an online course.
Take the masterclass. Thank you for the likes and subscribes.
What is the first thing that we do, Johnny, when it comes to creating an action-based online course? We are filled with action. Let's go.
We're gonna create an LTS, which is called a learner transformation statement. Take the masterclass, you'll learn all about it. But basically,
the LTS is the A to Z journey of your learners. What that means is, where are your learners starting? Where are they before they take your course? And then after they take your course,
what
how
results
do they
get?
Transform?
Exactly.
And remember, just to show you how powerful the LTS is, right above here is a review that we got from our free masterclass from one of our incredible leaders that have taken this masterclass about how amazing this LTS is.
The biggest reason why you want to create an LTS is because it gives you an actionable path that your learners will take to get the results that they need. And what are the milestones on the path? They are literally milestones.
Which is the second thing. You want to create 3 to 5 milestones and make those milestones actionable. Johnny, what does that mean, my friend?
That means that in order for someone to get from A to Z, they're gonna go and achieve some milestones along the way. To achieve a milestone, you have to take action. So what that means is you are going to have action steps built in to each milestone. So each milestone is going to be like, okay, so if you want to lose weight, then maybe milestone 1 is to stop eating. No, I'm just kidding.
No, don't do that.
I'm just kidding.
That's
maybe milestone
not a good
1
resolution.
is to start tracking your calories just to see how many calories you're intaking. So the action step is to go and track your calories. Maybe milestone 2 is let's cut back on your calorie intake by 100 calories a day. That is an action-based milestone. Maybe number 3 is you need to drink more water, so you're gonna drink X amount more glasses of water a day. Those are action steps, action-based milestones that get you from the A to Z that your LTS is all about. Take our masterclass, you'll learn all about it.
Number 4, which is probably, I would say, not just mine, but our favorite, which is accountability.
You have to give your students a way to be accountable. So you actually, in your online course, even if you don't have touch points where you're on the call with them, you're on a Zoom call, whatever, you need to build accountability into the course.
And a great example, sorry, I get so passionate about this, is a great example using what Johnny was saying of accountability is that if they track their calories, they have to submit their calories to you, the coach. Or let's say you have a community board, you have to submit it to the community board of the other students taking the course, holding one another accountable. Johnny, what are other ways, my friend?
Community, right? All your students are part of a community. They can share the results that they're getting on each milestone. You can have them reply to an email. So you can actually send them an email, have an automated email sequence that says, do this, respond to this email with what you did for this milestone. And then you can have them just comment on your course. So this is a really easy one to integrate to most LMSs. You can actually ask them to comment, or how we do it is we have a combination of using the software called Video Ask, and then we also have these really simple assessments. And what that allows us to do as well is we're not actually assessing like homework, right?
Yeah.
We're telling you submit what you've done, so then we can actually give you feedback, and then we can give you written feedback on that. So there's different ways, but you have to have accountability. These are the 2 most important. These are our things, and you're gonna learn about this in our masterclass. And once you master that, you're gonna be able to create an action-based course every time.
Now, typically at the end of the video, we like to recommend another video, But we want to recommend you go down and click and subscribe to our free masterclass. Get instant access to it because it answers everything here in detail.
If you want to create an action-based course, sign up for the masterclass. We'll see you there. Boom! See that action? That was action.
Are you doing the breaststroke?
Wow, that was actually a really good throw.